Hi, I'm Dan Knapp. I'm the Executive Director of the Conservation Corps of Long Beach, and we're here today to talk about our urban lumber program. With me, I have Javier Valladares, our construction manager, Henry Herrera from Cal Fire, and Eric Lopez, Director of Public Works, City of Long Beach, key partners in this awesome project. 2017, we applied for this workforce development grant to also reduce greenhouse gas emissions in the state of California.
This project was funded using greenhouse gas reduction funding, California Climate Investment Funds, and it touched on many components. There was a tree planting component, 2,000 trees planted. Trees that were dead, dying, hazardous within the city of Long Beach were diverted from ending up into landfill and instead being used to meet the demand for wood here locally through this urban lumber mill. That helps sequester the carbon as well.
When you first approached us with the idea, we were immediately in. The goals and objectives of this program align beautifully with the mayor and city council's goals on climate action. I love the fact that for every tree that comes down, you are able to take that wood and reuse it. In addition to having all the environmental benefits that were just mentioned, you also have the benefit of being able to create something special, something that may be passed down through generations.
We have an awesome relationship with the city, and we cherish our partnership. It wasn't until Javier came onto the team to really make this and lift this project and see it to fruition.
Out of all the core members that we had in our program, they all, every time, every day, they will show up here at 6 in the morning, happy, raining, hot. They were happy to be able to work here.
Hi, my name is Tito Laluso. I've been with the conservation course for about 10 years. Started off as a corps member, then I worked my way up to a supervisor.
Hi, my name is Maurice Lopez. I am a crew leader. I came in as a corps member. I've been in the corps for about a year and a few months.
Hello, hi, I'm Juan Garcia. I'm a crew supervisor. I've been working for Conservation Corps for over 10 years.
So Maurice, since we've been in the lumber yard, can you kind of explain to me the stuff that you've learned so far?
I've learned about the different types of wood. With West Coast Arbors, I remember some of the corps members, they have never used a chainsaw, so they were teaching us the proper way to use it and how to take care of it, sharpen it, change the oil, and also how to load it up properly on the mill, so that way it can cut smoothly and making sure everybody has a distance from the mill because it's a sharp blade.
We're so proud and privileged to be a part of it.
Right back at you, Eric, Henry, Javier. What an awesome team.